Today we are going to be making slime. So, this is one we already made because we always have to test them before we show them to you.
And this is my first YouTube video.
Yeah.
She taught me how, and she's been, I don't know, making a couple. She's my stepsister. She's made
So we
some
both
before.
made this one.
Yeah,
She's the one who made it for me.
I
saw her making it with me.
Yeah, I have some more like in the jar like this. I have like 4 more, but different colors. I'm not a human.
She has a lot of these.
Yeah.
She makes a lot. She's good at making slime.
And the one that we're going to be using today
is the same as this.
Yeah.
But it's going to be different colors.
Yeah.
Because we just went to the main center and bought a bunch of...
The colors are optional.
Yeah.
You can look at your camera.
So, yeah. Let's go and show you the ingredients.
By the way, she is doing the colors.
So what you're going to need is glue.
The colors I have... Okay, put it in like in the middle.
Yeah.
Middle-ish. Okay. The colors that we have... The colors are optional. The colors we have are purple. What?
Okay.
Orange.
She'll show you.
Yellow. Red. Blue. And green.
And then you're also going to need glue. There's a certain kind of glue you're going to need to use. PVA glue. Can really see it says PVA. This feels better.
Mine is more blue.
She has an iPhone.
No, I don't have an iPhone. It's a ZTE. You have an iPhone. Ow! I kicked my phone.
Oh, drop that.
Are you okay? Okay, I was going to be fine. You're weird. She's weird.
Can you zoom in? Just kidding.
I'm trying to zoom in on my...
Oh. Okay.
Oh, but what's pink though?
Okay, so yeah. And you're also going to need water.
Water?
These are little
Teacups.
Yeah.
Plates.
Something to mix in, obviously.
A spoon, spatula,
Anything
and
to
our
mix
other
in.
video, her other video, we use the end of a paintbrush. And you can also
I didn't post that one.
Remember I didn't post that one? Well, duh. And you can also use a toothpick. It's up to you.
I think a toothpick. I don't think we should do. You should do a toothpick.
It's so thin.
Yeah.
So, anyways, let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the PVA glue. Oh my god, what the heck? It's PVA, I just told you. Hey, don't use all of it. We only have a little bit.
We have 2 bugs that we're going to buy. You don't use so much.
Okay, there. I put some more in yours. We argue a lot. There's so many bubbles in mine. I just thought that there was globs of, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like, it was like, I thought there were globs coming out, but it wasn't. It was bubbles.
That's empty.
See, hers is bubbles too.
We're all
Why would you
having bubbles.
smell it? Oh, my fingers are gonna be. Oh, who did that? I didn't, because I have mine over here. What? I'm gonna move the camera this way. It's not actually a camera. My phone. Her phone too.
Okay. So next we're gonna add our water. You're only gonna pour a little bit.
Yeah.
And you have to use PVA glue. You can't use
For the one that we're using, you could either use in like to make a different kind of slime. You could either use borax and water, and then also you could use glue and detergent, and or you could use what was that one? shampoo and salt or you could use. Did I say glue and detergent already? Yeah, I did. What's the other one? What is this one? Glue and water.
PVA glue.
PVA glue and water. The water. I'm gonna. What is my spelling? Just
Why
like
is
in
it
the video.
water?
You're the one who watched the video. Oh yeah, and
You're gonna need a refrigerator too.
I bet you everyone has a refrigerator. Except for homeless people. Oh yeah.
If you just moved in and you don't have a
I'm
refrigerator.
gonna try to act them so.
Like your
My grandma has a refrigerator.
Ooh.
My grandma has a refrigerator.
No, the one when we went to go spend the night,
I know she has a refrigerator in her garage.
I went inside.
It's in a room, okay? I want to do the flower tower challenge. If you guys don't know what that is, go check out JC and Casey. Ooh, your legs are
She gets
cool.
on her nerves.
Yeah, but I just like the challenges that they do. Their voice gets on my nerves, though. And if we have some more people to play with, then I'm going to do on my channel sardines. And you'll figure out what that is. If you guys watch that YouTube family, they probably made like 11 videos of it. Oh wait, you haven't seen it. At least I'm thinking about it. Oh my god, I'm clean.
Hey, at least that glue doesn't stick good.
Actually, yeah, it does. Okay.
Look, it's coming up.
Yeah,
It's
look
like
at
water.
You guys, look at this.
I'm gonna go change.
How do I flip the camera?
You can't.
What the heck?
No, I can't on mine either.
Okay, look. Look at that.
Okay, I'll be
Glue.
right back.
Glue. Hold on. And bing. Okay. So if you guys didn't see on hers, she got glue all over herself. And look. Okay. Yeah. Right there. So yeah.